Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the system is using UEFI boot and not legacy CSM, because Secure Boot only works in UEFI. Once done, suspend BitLocker and backup critical files. This avoids drive encryption problems during conversion. Now reboot into UEFI firmware settings via Windows Recovery. Settings, Recovery, Restart Now, then choose UEFI firmware settings. Make sure you note current boot order and any vendor secure boot options. You will need to toggle keys or disable CSM there to proceed safely. You must convert an MBR disk to GPT if Windows isn't already UEFI booting, because Secure Boot requires GPT. Once in Windows Recovery command, prompt validate with MBR2 GPT/validate and convert with MBR2 GPT/convert. Suspend BitLocker first to avoid locked drives. After conversion, reboot to UEFI and disable compatibility support module. Then set platform mode to standard and enable Secure Boot. Make sure Windows Boot Manager is the primary boot device. Otherwise, the system won't boot in UEFI mode after conversion. You finish by booting to Windows and opening system information to confirm Secure Boot state reads on and BIOS mode is UEFI. If everything checks, reinstall or repair Vanguard Anti-Cheat and launch Valorant. The game should now pass the Secure Boot requirement. If you hit errors, make sure to update the firmware, restore UEFI defaults and repeat key steps, or roll back changes. One key troubleshooting tip. If MBR2 GPT fails, confirm storage drivers are present and that BitLocker is suspended before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.